Good morning, Rosendale. I say good morning, it could be the afternoon when you're watching this, but anyway, hello. Happy Wednesday to you. It's Wednesday, the 11th of May. And today's assembly is linked to your RHE lessons this term. RHE, if you remember, stands for Relationships and Health Education. And you've started learning this term about the importance of being true to yourself. This is a really interesting idea, the idea of acting in the world in a way that is true to yourself. And it's a big subject, and there are times when being true to yourself can be quite challenging. For instance, let's imagine that you have a friend who is often being mean to somebody, and it makes you feel really uncomfortable. Now, one possible option for you is to not do or say anything, because you might be worried that you might lose that friendship if you speak up. However, by not speaking up, it's causing you worry and anxiety, and so that would be an example of being true to yourself. You have a good sense of what is right and what is wrong. And being true to yourself would be to say something to your friend about it. And if you can't talk to your friend about it, then to talk to somebody else and speak and talk it through. Maybe what are the options you have in order to sort of deal with this. That's just one small example of how learning to be true to yourself can be quite a challenging thing in life. The story that I'm going to read to you today actually is not linked to that particular example, but nevertheless it is about a boy who is being true to himself, and it's a picture book. I do love a good picture book. This is the first picture book that I owned. It's a book that lots of you are familiar with. I was having a look at this morning. This was given to me in 1971, nearly 50 years ago. No, more than 50 years ago, 51 years ago. I love good picture books for the artwork often. And of course, the artwork in Where the Wild Things Are is just gorgeous. And the book that I'm going to read to you today also has really wonderful artwork. It's a book that I discovered last year, and this is it. It's called Julian is a Mermaid. Now, there aren't so many words in this book actually, so it's definitely one of those books where you can just really pore over the artwork and enjoy that aspect of it as well. The best way I thought to show you this is I've taken some pictures of it, and they'll come up on the screen. You won't see me, which is a good thing, I feel. You're just going to see the artwork, and I'll read the story to you, and I hope you enjoy it. I think there's an important lesson in this book for all of us. It's what's known as a kind of universal lesson, really. It applies to all of us. It doesn't matter if you're 5 years old or if you're 85 years old. There's something to take from this book. All right, okay, so here it is. So the author of the book is Jessica Love, a rather beautiful name, and the book is called Julian is a Mermaid. And here we can see Julian underwater in a swimming pool. This is a boy named Julian, and this is his nana, and those are some mermaids. Julian loves mermaids. In this next picture, Julian is going into a daydream. What is he imagining himself doing? Let's go, honey. This is our stop. Nana, did you see the mermaids? I saw them, honey. Nana, I am also a mermaid. I'm going to take a bath, said his Nana. You be good. Julian has an idea. What do you think his idea is? I wonder what he's thinking here. What's he looking at? Aha. He's using the curtain, isn't he? What's he turned the curtain into? Oh, said his Nana. Come here, honey. For me, Nana. For you, Julian. Where are we going? You'll see, says Nana. Mermaids, whispers Julian. Like you, honey. Let's join them, says Nana. And they do. I love this final image. He looks so happy, doesn't he? I hope you enjoyed the book, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.